I've been surfing and skateboarding all my life, which over 50 years now of actually riding and skateboarding and surfing. And for about the last 5 years, I noticed I've been having a problem with my right hip. I didn't know what it was. My primary doctor, Dr. Bob Corellis in Middletown, Rhode Island, said, listen, I want to get you an x-ray, and I think you should see Dr. Marchand over at South County Orthopedics. Fast forward 6 months, I was going in for my right hip to get it all cleared up and get checked off the list, no more, going to the doctors. Maybe the next visit would be a year later. And I noticed that my left hip had been acting up the last couple months. And then once I came into South County Hospital, it was like checking into like a 5-star hotel. It really was. Everybody met me here at the door here, brought me right upstairs. The nurses that were with you from the beginning until they wheeled you into the pre-op room. That was cool. All the guys, the anesthesia people, were really nice, explaining to me what was going to happen, this and that, and then, it's over. I'm very happy with the way my right hip is, where it's at right now at 7 months post-op. And now my left hip, I'm 1 month post-op, and I've walked the last 2 days, 3 miles each day, and then gone to rehab. Everything I heard about Dr. Marchand has been excellent. And then for myself to firsthand experience it. And then the fact that he surfs and rides waves just makes it a win-win for me.